Hello everyone, David here with another unboxing. And today we have, I have no idea what we got today. So, oh my goodness, an empty box. Check this out, guys. Empty. No, not really. This in here, that's what happens when you don't pack properly. Things come undone. But hopefully there won't be any damage to it. So, but anyway, that's what it looks like. This is what we got. There shouldn't be any fragile parts here. So this is the box. It's a Sahu. So let's see what this is. What comes in it? Looks, feels, it's got like a rubber vinyl maybe feel to it. It's got Velcro around it on this side. More Velcro on this side. So it goes under your seat. And here we have another slot. Maybe you could hang stuff in it. You have your bungee to tie it to your seat. Right here, what do we have? A little string. What do we have here? Tiny little box with, patches. So that's neat. Comes with a few of them. So there's that. That's pretty neat. I like that. You have your small pump. And here it is. It's for a standard bike, okay? So if you have one of those very small stems for road bikes, that might be an issue. Air goes out through there. All right, this is just a storage compartment. Then you come over here and you have that type and this type. So let's see right here. You plug this in, it's got a seal to keep it from. And of course So there you go. So that's what that does. That's how it works. All right, let's look over here. This is to take your tire off. And pretty neat tool to have. And when you have your multi-tool, this right here is worth the money itself. You have your Allen wrenches right here, 6, 4, and I can't see the rest. They're really small. And you have a bigger one right here, which is a 5. It's like 6, 4, 6, 5, 4. And then you have a Phillips and you have a flathead. That's it. That's all it comes with. So it's good to have. It's not heavy. Altogether, I mean, it's super light. So I think it's a good set. It's a good bargain. I mean, this is nicely, and it's got a little bit of padding right here. It's nicely done. So I just keep this stuff right here. Let's see. Can I close it? Yeah. That's easy access to that. And of course, you have your air pump. This is for an emergency. You know, when you have a bike, doesn't take much to fill it out, to fill up the air. And that is it, guys. That's all it comes in the package. I am going to demonstrate how to install this Sahu tool pouch. So this is going to go like that. And what we're going to do is run this Velcro, one on each side of the seat. As you can see, it goes right here. Velcro's on the other side. And you have, and that is that on that side. Then this one, just run it like that. There you have it, guys. Just a little too loose. Get it nice and tight. And you have the bag. As you can see, if it's too loose, you just pull on this tab right here, and you have your bag right here with your tools. So that's what it looks like installed. You saw how easy it is to put on. I mean, it took me a second to figure it out. Thank you guys for watching. Until next time.